Hello YouTube, today we'll be unboxing a donation from Jayc3472. Just want to say thanks a lot, man. This is my very first donation. I've cut it open, but I have not opened it yet, so we're going to go ahead and open it. Oh, that's a lot of parts. We have a shock tower. We have this front. Bell cranks. Hub carriers. Another one. Another one. Battery holder. Thanks a lot. I've actually broke this. Rods. Bulkhead. Thank you. I actually needed this. Mine broke. Body mounts. Got one. Another. This looks like it's actually for a rustler. A-arms. Is this a slash A-arm? If this is a 4x4 A-arm, I have to look again. Thanks a lot, because my slash A-arm actually broke yesterday, because I got it fixed, and I'll be doing an update video on that. Got another thing. But that. A servo saver. These are really good. And we have a whole bunch of screws, which came in an RC screw kit for the Stampede 4x4. These are actually some of the biggest parts I'm missing for my two-wheel drive Stampede. Thanks a lot, man. There's a lot of screws in there. Camera ain't gonna focus on it. There it goes. Also, he gave us some stickers. We have Proline, 2 huge Proline stickers. Some more Proline stickers. Proline. That says, oh, it's upside down. Proline. Over here we got some RPM, which is I'm actually going to use on the body when I paint it. RPM. Proline. A lot of Proline. RPM, Proline, and yeah, Proline. Thanks a lot, man. This is my very first donation, and I just want to say thank you. That is a lot of stuff. Go check out his channel. His channel is Jayc3472. He paints some amazing bodies. He has a Chicago Bear body that looks amazing. Chad, thanks a lot. I'll put my Stampede back together now, and I'll be able to do some videos. Thanks, man.